Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the small battery in ASTRONEER. This is especially useful for storing some power inside of a battery to powering your vehicles for longer ranges or just making a more stable electricity grid at your base. So to begin, we'll need to open the research tab, and on the first tab here just scroll down until you see small generator and scroll all the way to the right and make sure you've got the small battery unlocked inside of here. Also here you'll see you're going to require 1 zinc to make it, and zinc can be found on the starting planet Silva inside of caves as a sphalerite kind of material, which you then need to smelt inside of a smelting furnace to make some zinc. Once you do this, you want to go to your backpack, and here at the bottom, inside of this crafting, or inside of this small printer, here you, using these arrows, you want to choose the recipe small battery as the output, and with the zinc in this slot right here, click the green button to make the small battery. And once it's complete, you can just pick it out of your inventory and place it down in your base or inside of a vehicle and use some kind of a generator to recharge it. So this is pretty much all how to get the small battery in ASTRONEER. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.